नमस्ते, वेलकम बैक टू अंकिनेश क्रिएशंस। आज बढ़िया वेदर हो रहा है यहाँ पे डबलिन में। बहुत कम ही धूप निकलती है यहाँ पे सर्दियों में, तो आज तो बहुत ही मस्त धूप निकली है, इसीलिए मैं धूप में बैठी हूँ। Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be sharing a painting related to Valentine's Day, but you can make it on like to gift it on a wedding anniversary, या फिर कुछ दो friends के लिए भी बना सकते हो, because it basically is a map of two cities from where you belong or from where the person belongs for whom you are making it. और yeah, और उस मैप के अंदर I've done some traditional art like mandala art, which I love to do. And yeah, ये आइडिया मैं कब से सोच रही थी एक बड़ी पेंटिंग पे बनाने का, बट फिर मुझे लगा कि वैलेंटाइंस डे आ रहा है, तो लेट मी मेक इट ऑन अ स्मॉल थिंग। और मेरे पास ये वुडन हार्ट कटआउट भी था, तो मैंने पहले सोचा कि इस पे ट्राई करती हूँ, इट विल गिव मी सम इनसाइट्स कि मैं बड़े वाले पे कैसे बना सकती हूँ। So yeah, I am so excited to share this video with you all. I hope you like it. Let's start with the video. So here is the map of Surat city. Make sure you don't print out the map of district but the city. So I belong to Surat city and Nishant belongs to Udaipur city. I am going to draw a line around these maps so that I can make the border little bit simpler to be able to cut it out nicely. I wanted them to be little bit bigger than what I printed out, but I'm going to use whatever I have printed out right now. But थोड़ा सा अगर बड़ा होता तो भी चल जाता. So now I'm cutting out the map of Surat city, and then I'm going to be placing it on my wooden heart cutout, which I've already painted black. It was wood color and I've painted it black. Now I'm placing the maps to know the position of them, and then holding them tightly at a place, I'm going to trace the border of this map onto my wooden cutout. Once I've traced both the map's border, I'm going to be using Sakura Jelly Roll pens to draw my mandal art into these maps. But first I'll be drawing few circles to give me the guideline to start with my mandal art. So I'm not going to draw lots of circles, just few circles in the center, and then I'll start drawing my mandal design. So these pens work so nicely on any smooth surface and they are waterproof as well. And look at the opacity, look at the brightness of this ink on black color as well. I love this pens. If you like to draw mandala art and if you want colorful pens like this kind of colors with this kind of opacity, I would highly recommend Sakura Jelly Roll Moonlight pens. And there are many different kinds of pens as well, but I really like the Moonlight version of these pens. So yeah, I'm drawing my design on inside the map, and then I'll give the map a thick border of gold color with the gold Sakura Jelly Roll pen, and then I'll again give it a border of a white color just to make the map stand out and also to make it a little bit bigger as I desired in the starting. So I'm giving them two different borders, and also I've painted my initial inside the Surat city map because I belong to Surat. The day I was making it was so cloudy. I was recording it at 11:23 a.m. but the lightings were so off. It was so cloudy all day, but I wanted to do it that day. Or but I think it is okay because I'm painting on a black background. The colors did stand out, but अगर मैं white background पे कर रही होती तो उतना bright भी नहीं आता. So I'm happy with how the video has turned out even if it was a very cloudy day. So now I have finished drawing the mandala art inside the Udaipur city map. I'm giving it also a golden border, a thick golden border, and then again on this one as well. I'll give a thin white border to enlarge it a little bit and to make it stand out. And then I've drawn the initial N for Nishant inside this map. Now I am writing the name of both the cities, Udaipur and Surat, with white Sakura jelly roll pen. And then I'm going to clean out my black base a little bit क्योंकि ये जो thread था ना उसका थोड़ा थोड़ा ऐसे dust type का या कुछ ना कुछ ऐसे चिपक गया था तो मैंने बस एक damp cloth लिया and I cleaned out my black base, and then I decided to draw a heart between it because it's a Valentine's Day special. और फिर उसके बाद मैंने ना ये dots बना दिए and I didn't like it how I finished it at the end with the dot part especially. Border was nice, the overall painting is nice, but dots को मैं थोड़ा सा और dimension दे सकती थी या थोड़ा सा और curvy कर सकती थी. But that's okay. I'm happy with the outcome overall, and this is how it looks. It looks so colorful. और maps का size थोड़ा सा और बड़ा होता तो भी चलता, but I think it's okay. And now I'm very excited to make a bigger version of this. So yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below.
So that's it for today's video. I really hope you all liked it or you will try it. Give this video a thumbs up if you really liked it and comment down your thoughts in the comment section below. And yeah, that's it. I hope I'll see you soon. Bye. Love being creative. Bye bye.